Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes, linear equation in one variable. In this chapter, look at the question number 37. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 51. Find those numbers by framing linear equation. So here, sum of three consecutive numbers ಏನಿದೆ 51 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು I will repeat this question. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes, linear equation in one variable. In this chapter, look at the question number 37. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 51. Find those numbers by framing linear equation. Okay. So here sum of three consecutive numbers is 51 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So consecutive numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? That follow each other in order. Okay, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ consecutive numbers. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 51 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿ second consecutive number will be x plus 1. Third consecutive number will be x plus 2. Okay. So according to the problem, the sum of these three numbers is equal to 51. Okay. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಈಗ solve for x, combine like terms. So x plus x plus x. So 1x, 1x, 1x. This is equal to 3x plus 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 51. Okay. So subtract 3 from both sides. 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. Or left side aliro plus 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, right side ಹೋದಾಗ sign change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus ಇರೋದು minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So 3x is equal to 51 minus 3 is equal to 48. Okay. So divide by 3, we'll get x is equal to 48 divided by 3. Okay. So find this x. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 48 divided by 3 ಇದೆ. So ಇದು 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Okay. So x is equal to 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here first number ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ 16. So ಈಗ second number will be, so here first number is x is equal to 16. So second number x plus 1. So this is equal to 16 plus 1 is 17. So third number, so this is x plus 2. So this is equal to 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Okay. So the three consecutive numbers are 16, 17 and 18. Okay. Thank you.